guys, this is Pizza Squirrel and we're back in another video, and in today's video we have my old Ford Explorer that I used to own, and it used to be on this channel. I used to drive it in the snow. Now this car I've owned since the initial revamp. This was my first car in GV4, and then I drove it, of course, and then I sold it to another person, and then it got sold to another person, and then it got sold to another person, and then of course I bought it back, and then I had it, and then I drove it in last year's snow, I believe. Yeah, it's been a few years, and now I found it once again, guys. This is my old Ford Explorer, and it still has the winter steelies chains I gave it last few years, and basically the repo got it, and like I missed payments on this thing, so it's brought to this normal warehouse, and it was just sitting ever since, collecting dust, as you can see here. And as you can see, this isn't a bad car, but the one thing about this car, it has over 1,000,000 miles, guys. That's right, you heard this right. It has over 1,000,000 miles. So it's almost near 2 million, and it's on the third transmission, I believe. So yeah, and yeah, I actually bought a new engine for this car with about 7,000 miles, so a brand new engine, which we'll be putting in later. And then basically we're gonna get this car back up to date and on the road looking like brand new. So that's the goal, how we're gonna get this car. We're gonna get it back to brand new condition. First, we're gonna try and see if it starts. I powered up the battery. Let's see if the engine starts. All I did was recharge the battery. Let's see if it starts. Oh, okay. So the brake lights are working. The headlights. They're not really working that well. So yeah. Anyway, let's start this thing and see if it starts. Come on, come on. Whoa, it started. Okay, let's see if this thing can make it back to the house. Putting it in drive, and it's slowly going. As you can see, it shakes a little bit while turning, like it's really beat, I guess that's what you can say. So yeah. I'm not gonna be driving this thing too fast. Turn signals still work. Horn? Yep, that works too. This thing's really reliable. Can't wait to see how long the new engine will go for. Dang, that guy's really driving this car fast. I'm gonna drive with hazards since I don't have headlights. So yeah, this car is really nice. I'm just trying to get that back. So yeah. Okay guys, we're pulling into 6 houses. And it's already night. I'm just gonna move this thing here. So as you can see, guys, here it is. So basically what I'm planning on doing is gonna get it washed up, new engine, and then new wheels, and then yeah. Then yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna turn this into, but yeah, that's how it's gonna go. But thank you for watching my Ford Explorer restoration video, part 1. Thank you for watching. This is Pizza Squirrel, and I'm out. Please subscribe.